Let's make the perfect grilled ham and cheese, where the cheese is gooey and melty and the bread is golden and never burnt. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I have a lot of videos like this one, so if you're learning to cook and that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button. You and I can cook together twice a week. For this, I'm using sandwich bread. All you have to look out for is that it's fresh, not frozen. I'm gonna place the sandwich bread flat on my board. And the first step is to butter or grease the outside, which is gonna be grilled on your pan. You could also spray it, but I like mine nice and buttery, so I'm using butter today. And then you're gonna flip it over. Now, you can butter the inside or leave it as is, even put mayo. Everyone likes their own filling. Let me know in the comments what you like to do in your grilled ham and cheese sandwich. I'm just gonna add a tiniest bit of butter right through the middle. For cheese, you can use whatever you have at home as long as it's sliced. It could be singles, or this is Colby Jack. You can use cheddar, whatever you like. You wanna place the cheese on the bread side so it's closest to the heat and it melts. And then here, I just have some thinly sliced ham. You wanna spread it out on top of your cheese. You can put as much or as little as you like. And then you wanna close the sandwich. Now I'm gonna heat my pan over medium heat for about 30 seconds or so. I want the surface to be nice and hot. Now that my pan is hot, I'm gonna take my ham and cheese and place it buttered side down. You wanna grill each side for about 2 minutes, just long enough to get it golden, melt the cheese, but not burn it. If it's burning and your cheese is still not melted, that means that your heat is too hot. Now this is the time where I take a lid and put it over my pan. There's a space here to let some of the heat out because I want my bread to get toasty, but it also traps a lot of the heat and it helps melt my cheese. Give this video a thumbs up if you find tips like that helpful. I'll make sure to keep adding them in my videos for you. This grilled cheese is ready. Let's remove it from the pan right onto my board and let's slice it. Oh, the cheese is melted on both sides. The perfect grilled ham and cheese exists, friends. See you next time.